Hi everyone, welcome back. We're gonna plan my classic happy planner for the first week of June with the last day of May. This page, I use the other planner, which is a vertical layout, but I do want to stick with my dashboard layout for this one. So I'm just going to glue this page to this page when we are finished. So that's what we're gonna do. Take that out. Aside. Okay, so what I got, I did my how should I decorate random planner page, and I got washi only, and I really struggle with this one a lot, and I usually don't like how it turns out. So I'm going to cheat a little bit and use a lot of washi, which is something that I don't usually do anyway, so it will still be a challenge for me. But I am going to use some stickers from the Planner Basic sticker book, and I'm going to use my habit tracker because this just makes it so much easier to keep track of everything. I think I will change the words on this again once I need to reprint some, but for now this is what it is. Put my habit tracker on. Put that on really good today. So that's pretty amazing. Then let's white out what we don't need. Do we need bills to pay? Yes. Do we need calls or emails? No, never. We don't track those. If I did track them, they would just be on the normal to-do list. Are we out of whiteout? Is that what's happening here? Okay, I'm back. Sorry, that took a long time to find some more whiteout. Is this one out too? Okay. Also never need that. Oh gosh. So that's like that. I wonder how secret these are. Okay, so these are my dates. If we use these big black ones, how would that look over the top of washi? Pick this washi. No, I want a more solid one. So this one came to me. If you're wondering, no, that also has a design on it. It does not look solid either. I don't know, it doesn't look as, what's the word I'm looking for? The white, it's not as contrasting, I guess. Let's just move that to the side for a second. We'll just test it. And then if it looks good, we'll leave it and keep going. And if not, we'll just take it off. Okay, there's that. And then this would be for May 31st. I don't mind it. We're gonna leave it. getting better at not cutting the paper, hopefully. Now we're gonna do the rest of the dates. Looks super cute. So put the dates away. Okay, and here's the washi I have. This is like a kitchen drawer organizer. I got a new kitchen drawer organizer that like pulls out so it fits exactly to my kitchen drawer, and so it works better for my kitchen drawer. So I was like, this will work good to hold like all of my craft supplies. So that is what I did. Okay, so like I said, I don't have any like green that matches that green exactly, or really the purple that matches that purple. So I'm gonna cover them up, I think. And I kind of just really want to use this blue also. So that's what I'm gonna do. I like those washies. Do they look good though? I don't know, we'll see. It might be too much. I don't know, we'll go. I might use those, I might not. We'll put them, and then I have some of these pinks that are like the same color as that one that I used. So that's what we're going with. I also have some black and whites over here if I need just something like that. But that's what we're gonna try and do. So I think we're gonna cover up this purple square with this triangle-y thing. I have like no nail because I cut them all off this afternoon. Okay, so we have that. I think I'm gonna just cover up this whole entire box. And if I do that, I might just blend these two boxes into one. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. And I'm debating if I should just like alternate between these two. But then I don't really want to do that. I don't want to just use like this blue. I struggle to do washi because like either I'm pulling too tightly or I'm not getting it straight. So what are some good tips that you guys have for or is that just a me problem? I think it was Squared Plans. If it wasn't, I'm terribly sorry. But I think it was one of her planner ideas. Oh, definitely did cut a lot of that through. Good news is just gluing that all down to that other page. So, but yeah, I think it was Squared Plans that I saw a spread like she did her whole page like that, and it was really cool. I just cut this paper to pieces. That's not very easy to like write something on, so I'm going to use the Planner Basics to like just put a sticker on that. Which, now that I see that, it's not going to be very easy to like write on itself. So I wonder if there are any like box stickers on here. this would be easier if this was that I could flip through this a little bit easier. I really want to use these checklists, but I'm going to not, and I will use washi as my checklist. I'm going to be more washi forward with our things to do sticker. So, but I also need it to be either blue or peach or black and white, which does not seem to be this color scheme. I obviously did not do a great job of like lining up the ones that go together, because like that one was clearly supposed to be with this other page. I don't know. I'm gonna put family day for the like activities we do. Okay, I don't think 7 things will be enough, so I'm gonna add one more to do. Yeah, I was like, I think there's one with more missing. We'll just use these capital letter ones. I do want to do that. I wonder if I can get this one off too. It's a little bit whited out, but I want to put some washi under there. And then, oh, these gold stickers. I wonder if they will fit next to that box. And this can be where I track my workouts. And I've been trying to do just like for a week. Because I've been trying to get back into running. And that's just too hard on my body to do every day. So that way, to prevent injury, we're gonna do a little bit, not go too fast too soon. Or maybe I'm just allowing myself to do less. I don't know, but it's working for me for right now. Okay, let's see how that looks. Yeah, I think it looks fine. I don't think you can see the white out mess too bad. So there's that. I think I want to do just one last strip of washi on this side. Do you like that? And then I really think that's a lot. If we just keep adding more and more washi, it might get too much. But I do think we need some of this on this side. So might do that down here. That's pulling the pages up now. And then I realize now I also need some stuff for the things I need to do. Oh, and okay, so I was gonna use this as my checklist. I just remember that now. But I put it right here. I think it will just look like, I don't know, like an L. So I'm just gonna use my little stencils. Actually, we'll use this little stamp. You see this here? We have a stamp. We'll use that. Black. I think this ink is meant to do this or something. I did not mean to paint that one. Okay, that's pretty good. I don't know why my big wipes at, so we'll leave that and clean it after the video ends. Yeah, back to what I was doing, that needs thing for the second and the third. And then I don't know what I want to do. If I want to just write those in, or maybe even like put like a stamp something. Dude, I have a meal stamp. That's really cool. I think I want to leave it like this, and I will just write in those things in like normal pen, because this is plenty decorated. And I think adding those things in, I'll have to add in a new washi probably, and then it won't match as well. So this is what I got. So if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified when I put up new videos. And comment down below if you like using washi and how you best apply it, or any like spread ideas that you would like to see in the future, or even like just planner related, just any YouTube video ideas. Throw them out, we'll see. Yeah, that's all I got. Thanks, bye.